is, how bad my motor is. Kind of hard. Not sure what it is. Pretty gummed up. Give it a clean, see what happens. Well, it's more cleaned off. I'm gonna put the gaskets on there and try to beat the rain that's coming. I did use some new fresh oil to put on both of those gaskets. I put the oil on both sides, and there's 2 layers of that gasket, so hopefully that's what you're supposed to do. It did make it a little hard to line up everything when I was putting it up, but eventually I got it. My kit did have new brass washers for all the bolts and the main bolt too, that I used the new ones. I think that's pretty important. So this is the oil I used in my 71 Volkswagen bus, 1600